Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things delicious and healthy today. We have a treat for you as we dive into the world of breakfast delights. If you're looking for a quick and nutritious way to start your day, you're in luck. We're going to show you how to make 5 delicious and healthy overnight oats. So let's get started. Before we dive into these fantastic overnight oats variations, let's quickly go over the base ingredients you'll need for all 5 recipes. 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, you can use any kind of milk you prefer, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 spoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, pinch of salt, in a mixing bowl, combine the rolled oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, milk, honey, or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. Now let's get creative and make 6 mouth-watering variations with our base mixture. Recipe 1. Classic Berry Blast. Our first variation is the Classic Berry Blast. To make it, add a handful of fresh mixed berries to your base mixture. Give it a gentle stir and let it refrigerate overnight. Recipe 2. Nutty Banana Crunch. Slice a ripe banana and add it to your base mixture. Sprinkle a handful of chopped nuts such as almonds or walnuts for that delightful crunch. Mix it all together and let it chill in the fridge. Recipe 3. Topical Paradise. If you're longing for a taste of the tropics, try our Tropical Paradise overnight oats. Add diced mango, pineapple chunks, and a sprinkle of shredded coconut to your base mixture. Give it a gentle stir and let the flavors transport you to paradise overnight. Recipe 4. Chocolate Peanut Butter Delight. Chocolate lovers, this one's for you. For our Chocolate Peanut Butter Delight, mix in a tablespoon of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of peanut butter into your base mixture. Give it a good stir until the cocoa powder is fully incorporated. Get ready for a decadent breakfast treat. Recipe 5. Apple Cinnamon Bliss. Our Apple Cinnamon Bliss is a classic combination that never disappoints. Simply add diced apples and a generous sprinkle of cinnamon to your base mixture. Give it a gentle stir and let the flavors meld together overnight. The next morning, take out your delightful creations from the fridge. Give them a quick stir and transfer them to bowls or jars. Add some additional toppings if desired, like a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of granola. Breakfast is served. And there you have it, 5 delectable and healthy overnight oats recipes to brighten up your mornings. Whether you choose the Classic Berry Blast, Nutty Banana Crunch, Tropical Paradise, Chocolate Peanut Butter Delight, or Apple Cinnamon Bliss, your taste buds are in for a treat. Let us know in the comments which variation you're most excited to try or share your own favorite overnight oats combinations. Until next time, happy breakfasting!